Stories traveled on boats. The boats were honored and had spiritual value. For thousands of years, the knowledge and traditions of Alaska's native people were passed on from generation to generation only by word of mouth, making their preservation very difficult in the modern world. Our ways of making traditional boats were at risk of being lost forever. 8 traditional Alaska Native watercraft were built by master boat builders at the Alaska Native Heritage Center. For Moses, it was important to build the birch bark canoe in the traditional Athabascan way, without using commercially available lumber, nails, or screws.
This is the closest we could get it to put the canoe together the way the grandmother taught me.
Birch bark is well suited as a covering for the Athabascan canoe.
Hey, that's the way it's supposed to be when we put it on.